Welcome to Lumax Yokowo, a home to world-class car antennas that are 100% locally manufactured. With zero compromise on product quality, Lumax Yokowo is setting new standards of performance in the industry. We are confident that we can meet the punishing standards that leading car makers set for themselves. Behind Lumax's confidence was the belief in the 4 decades of partnership with global automotive giants across 3 continents. And in order to meet this particular challenge, Lumax leveraged one of its most recent partnerships, the one with Yokowo, Japan. Yokowo is a leading specialist in electronics components and advanced devices for wireless communication and information transmission, and the partnership had a clear mission of manufacturing and supplying the best onboard antennas and other vehicle communication products to the Indian automotive industry. Lumax got on the task of manufacturing world-class car antennas that were 100% locally made. It took rigorous planning and action at both India and Japan to kickstart the localization mission. Lumax's partnership with Yokowo Japan was a game-changer. The collaborative efforts yielded positive results, which eventually led to a successful product portfolio. Lumax Yokowo is a state-of-the-art facility and has the capability to produce a range of antennas such as the shark fin antenna, IP antenna, LF antenna, cord assembly, and other related products. Besides its infrastructural agility, Lumax Yokowo is a forward-thinking entity and employs at least 40% women in its workforce. As of today, all kinds of antennas are made by Lumax Yokowo. This achievement could not have been possible without the collaborative efforts of everyone at Lumax and Yokowo. It is a testament to positive thinking. Most of all, this achievement sparks another question in our minds. What else can we achieve together next?